Regality Academy is a family, from the founders and management to the teachers and students to the parents and the building staff. There's a real sense of community. The school facilities available are also great, and together this helps create a friendly environment for the students to both learn and progress.
I loved RGA, or Regality Academy. They taught us to be very kind and respect others, and I have learned so much throughout all my years here, and I think it's a very great school because they also support student athletes and different activities while also letting the students focus on their schoolwork. The first time I learned about the 7 habits was in P1, grade 1. The teachers introduced the habits to us and told us to implement it at school and at home. When I was still in grade 1, my idea was that I had to implement it to stay good, to be a good student, and to respect the teachers. And my personal favorite my favorite personal habit is probably habit number 6, which is synergize, because I get to work together with my friends, and it's just very nice that we can cooperate and communicate together and do our projects. We practice synergizing by doing our Google Slides and our Google Docs together. We research together and present our presentation. Ways and reasons I use 7 habits is because it's way easier doing school using the 7 habits. Like for example, in class, we use habit number 6, which is synergize, to work together with our friends. And for habit number 7, we use it at home for when we want to do homework and other activities. We balance it. Other activities that I do outside of the school are swimming, and I really like swimming. It's really fun and it helps keep me fit and healthy. The 2 habits that I mainly rely on are habit number 2 and habit number 7. Like for example, on Wednesday and Thursday last few weeks ago, I had a competition called Krapda, and I knew that I would be missing some tests because it was on the weekdays, Wednesday and Thursday. So before the competition, I studied real hard and made a plan, and after the swimming competition, I could do my test just fine because I made a plan. That's how I implemented habit number 2, which is begin with the end in mind. Now the next habit is habit number 7, which is sharpen the saw. I balance my homework and my activities. So I have to do my homework for a few minutes, and then I also focus on my swimming.
Saya rasa memang ini ada kaitannya dengan sekolah yang dia dapatkan selama ini, karena confidence level dia itu kan tinggi ya, dan juga disupport oleh sekolah yang memang mendorong muridnya untuk aktif bahkan sebagai atlet. Ya ini saya bisa tahu ini kan mulainya ketika berenang itu karena Regality waktu itu kan memang memiliki inisiatif untuk memberikan pelatihan renang ya, bekerjasama dengan GAQ waktu itu. Jadi dari situ saya lihat sebuah kombinasi ya. Tentu anak itu sendiri juga harus mau. Jadi dengan adanya sekolah yang mendukung, dengan program pelatihan yang baik, anak itu sendiri dan PD-nya ada, saya rasa ini yang menjadikan Krisia itu bisa seperti hari ini. Ya, saya memang melihat itu, walaupun memang tidak 100% dia lakukan karena anak-anak ya, tapi dia selalu diingatkan tentang prinsip-prinsip 7 habits ini. Ya, kadang mamanya juga ingatkan, ingat put first priority, apa prioritas yang utama gitu. Kadang anak-anak kan bisa lupa, bisa ini, oh iya saya ingat, gitu. Makanya dia balik lagi. Jadi saya rasa itu adalah sebuah fondasi ya, sebuah framework yang ditanamkan sejak kecil itu sangat baik sekali. Yang saya banyak lihat justru kekuatan di Krisia dari sisi apa, justru di apa itu ya, di teamwork. Dia sangat senang dengan kerjasama bersama teman-temannya. Misalkan di renang dia paling suka bukan solo, malah dia paling suka itu relay. ya karena itu tim berempat gitu ya, sama cheerleading kayak gitu, yang tim-tim begitu dia senang sekali. Yes, Regality is small, yes, tapi memberikan a big impact to the kids. Ya, nah ini nggak serta-merta big school can give a big impact as well. Jadi ini yang sudah saya rasakan dan saya lihat bisa ini berkembang. Bersyukurlah bisa sekolah di Regality Academy ini. Ya, and my best wishes adalah pengembangan terus. Jadi jangan sampai hanya SD, kalau bisa sampai SMP. Ini kan terpaksa mesti keluar gitu, ya, mencari-cari sekolah yang mungkin akan sama seperti itu yang menjadi selalu menjadi acuan kami memilih sekolah yang sama seperti ini karakteristiknya gitu, ya, nggak mudah gitu, ya, so that's my wish.
Of course, all students are different and unique, but Regality Academy provides the opportunity for each student to grow and thrive. Students are able to join in group work or individual assignments as they learn to work together in teams and also become leaders. This helps the students increase their confidence and ensure they learn with a smile on their face.